Data two all the time. Data two, which are very important for the development of humankind. Those are the two: success and failure. Mostly, people think of that. To have success is the most important matter. To be successful shall be a way to develop ourselves. Is that so? Judging from all of the things we experience here in the history of humankind, on the surface of one of tiny rocks floating in the solar system, in one of the galaxies in the universe. Now, I can tell. To commit a mistake is a way to be developed in the future. In other words, to commit a mistake is necessary for human beings to be successful little by little. If you reflect human history, otherwise history of the history, it is true that most of our progress has been built on the basis of failure rather than success. No explanation is necessary to you. To commit a mistake shall be treated as a daily important experience. Nobody can be successful from the beginning. People learn by experience. Human beings go forth through making mistakes. If you have rational observation and reflection regarding any of the matters in the history of humankind, you understand. It is true. Make hay while the sun shines. When you receive an opportunity, as a matter of reality, when you feel, I have now a wonderful opportunity, this means this is time for you to take action. When you recognize an opportunity, do not hesitate. Hesitation gives you a chance to waste your time. Make hay while the sun shines. Every day, I'd like you to be courageous enough to commit a mistake. That is alright. Because most of our progress has been built based upon failure rather than success. Old age creeps upon human beings unnoticed. The lecture shall be finished now.